I'm Dr. Lauren Fink. I'm the Director of Male Infertility here at Englewood Health. I'm a specialist in sexual dysfunction and male infertility, which means I help men deal with issues related to erectile dysfunction, hypogonadism, trouble conceiving, and I help them navigate these issues through either medications, injections, or surgeries. So I'm seeing this patient in the office today. Him and his wife have been having some trouble conceiving for the last year. So I'm hoping to do an evaluation for them today. And I help them achieve, physical function related to their erectile dysfunction in many different ways, including, oral medications, penile injections, or surgeries, including a penile prosthesis to help improve their erectile function for them and for their partner. For erectile dysfunction, there's lots of reasons that men can have this. It could be something related to nerve issues from diabetes. It could be related to cardiovascular disease or vascular issues. It could be related to something physical, like actually having a surgery done and that affected their ability to have an erection. So I think sometimes patients are a little bit surprised when they find out that I'm a female urologist, especially a female urologist within the sexual dysfunction space. And so I think that at first when I interact with patients, they feel a little bit shy talking about some of their issues, but I think, creating an open, safe environment for them to talk about it and treating it just like it's any other urologic condition, I think it gives them the comfort and the ability to speak freely about it and know that they're not just, talking about some sensitive topics, but they're actually working with a professional and a doctor that specializes in this area that can actually help them move forward and find the right path to get a solution. So the patient has been having some issues urinating, mostly urinary hesitancy, urgency. I think it's related to his prostate. I do also practice general urology, and so I do see female patients as well. And I would say that I actually have, a fair number of female patients in my office that I see on a regular basis, and things that I would treat them for include urinary tract infections, recurrent urinary tract infections, kidney stones, blood in the urine, lower abdominal discomfort or cystitis, which is, bladder inflammation symptoms. I love what I do and I love urology because I think at the end of the day, being able to have a visit with a patient where we're able to go over their issues and kind of dissect it, see what's going on, and have an understanding of what's truly affecting the patient, and then being able to come up with a solution to improve their quality of life, I think it gives them a sense of empowerment, it gives them a sense of confidence, so they feel like they can get a part of their life back that they lost. And I think being able to help patients achieve that, I think is something incredibly meaningful.